Hi sir, I'm Vidya Mohan. Today I'm going to present about distance learning can be used to deliver a training problem to geographical disparate training. How distance learning is designed to use to reduce some of the learning and transfer of training problems. Introduction. Distance learning, also recognized as a distance education, e-learning or online learning, is a mode of learning in which teachers or students are physically separate during instruction and different technology are used to facilitate a student teacher and students contact. Students who want to need distance education will enroll in online program like University of the People. University of People is a tuition-free, non-profit organization making a viable and independent social of choice of students all over the world. A more cost effective and reliable approach, both eligible and able people should seek higher education, provide educated people with the opportunity to pursue their academy by correspondent instruction without disparaging their current job, to have more cost effective and accessible curriculum, to make education opportunity available to eligible and willing individuals. Moving forward to Moving forward to importance, the first importance are accessing accreditation. It's the instructor and the network collaborate together to build a remote learning platform creditable. External regulated body will almost define and need perform model for graduate degree and professional qualification. Second importance are timetable. Since the most distance learning system are structures to be relatively scalable in regard the content heavily influenced by cost and schedule rather than the system. Even then it's an important factor to consider when choosing a course. Last importance are immediate thought. In class coaching will still have place to remote teaching. In other hand, distance learning has lot of untappable potential for meeting students where they are need to engaging educated and learners in novel ways. The future of learning seems to be fluid in timetable place is imagination from increase a flexible to a new behavior style. The next part will be the literature review. The first article is a shift from a classroom to distance learning advantages and limitation. Both teachers and students will be benefit from the literature review. Traditional learning method will be unsatisfied to a young generation who fully at ease with traditional technology. They want online integration and able to accept the part of their education. As a result, they will take advantage of his chance to help them to learn more easily and efficiently. Second article will be distance learning. The benefit of e-learning include greater adapter to learn needs, a grateful, flexible of learner experience with visual or non-verbal presentation of teaching material, and more versatile a learner experience with a visual or non-verbal presentation of teaching content. Second, by using a video touch, the user can track a visual or auditor learning which can be interrupt and reverse way of watching again. While e-learning well suitable for distance adapter learning, it also can be used to conjunction with the face-to-face teaching, in which case of them blended learning often used. Third article will be modern learning technology in higher education. This paper aims to clarify which distance learning principle and integrate into the university teaching and learning process. The report looks a small budget, unequal distribution, a competitive advantage, and inadequate regulated machines, and a lack of innovation physical infrastructure. Discover a number of internal and external barriers to the implementation of imaging the distance of learning solution, including a limited scope and size of rollout, a capital management problem, and incorrect calculation of marketing advantages, and shortage of resource in the administrative structure, and so on. The last point was the evaluation of a student's talent and ability in the 6 months and start to our co-curriculum and be the subject potential research. After that, beyond on no significant differences and further horizons, the traditional classroom is losing a dominance of learning environment. Many academics and educators are working to enhance the strength of students' learning outcomes by online learning. Researchers and educators are interested in understanding how beneficial online learning is in compromising and convention face-to-face learning. According to the data and presenters in the report, online learning at least effective and formal learning. Research should look past to the non-decrement differences phenomena according to the studies. The last article will be distance learning prediction and possibilities. Face-to-face courses have been phased out the replaced by online classes. The aim of this paper is to define a various concepts that are used to characterize online learning. It then goes to talk about a big problem that occur in the results and pandemic's rapid expansion and online learning. In the post of COVID-19 settings, the easy way to conduct a rundown and main subject inside a suggestion for extending to use the online and blended learning system. Moving forward to a problem and solution. First problem will be the multimedia teaching. The solutions is there are greater emphasis on submitting written materials due to lack of multimedia instruction. The level of learning is also improved by the number of learning resources available. Second problem is insecurity about learning. The solution will be distance learners are imply and through planning a cooperation on the last part of the those concerned. Third problem will be lack of support and service. The solution will be help and resource for distance learners such as tutorial, academic planners, schedules, and professional assistant should not be ignored when planning distance problems. Students need to tutorial and academic planners to assist them in finishing their class on schedule and to serve a support net when tension they will happen. The last problem will be students assessment. The solution will be regardless to deliver method all sections and course shall be have some course content learning objective and credits. More research is needed to find instructional method and frameworks that work well in distance learning. Moving forward to a recommendation, there are three most critical factors which are range, accessibility, and technology. It has the potential to solve all problems if done correctly. Innovations and exploration will be offer stronger solution to all these questions in context. As the number of adult learners continues to climb, distance learning is become more common mode of instruction. Understanding and addressing technical problems is important and particularly in the light of the technology development. Finally, the conclusion will be if when the internet of overcome of distance education system and can be works and demanding a complicated open environment. Distance education is further planning for executive and advantage and disadvantage that are vary from campus based education but is not necessary for interior. It has a lot of promise and terms of satisfying to various needs to for human capital. That's all from me, sir. Thank you.